If you love crispy, spicy, and perfectly sweet street food, then today's recipe is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make authentic Ghanaian Kelewele, that deliciously spiced fried ripe plantain we all know and love. For this recipe, we'll be using calabash, nutmeg, cloves, and some black peppercorn, which is optional. I'll be using my sanka to grind this. We also have some dried chili pepper, which I soaked for some few minutes so it can soften and make the grinding easier. You can use your blender to make things easy for you. You don't have to stress yourself using the asanka. I prefer to go local. At this point, I added my salt. This makes the grinding easier. I should have done that earlier, but I forgot to do that. I then proceeded to add the remaining ingredients, which is onions and some ginger. I chopped this so it can make the grinding process much easier. With the calabash nutmeg, it makes you achieve that street style aroma, so don't miss it. All ingredients used are very important, but you see this calabash nutmeg, it's a game changer. So if you've been trying kelewele without the calabash nutmeg and you have not been achieving that street style, know that this is what you've been missing. Now it's now time to add our plantain. Make sure the plantains are nicely ripe. That's what gives kelewele its natural sweetness. Next, cut the plantains into bite-sized cubes or diagonal pieces depending on how you like them. I'll be going the diagonal way. You can choose to do the cubes. Anyone you prefer is perfect. Please be careful at this point so you do not hurt yourself. It's best to use your chopping board to make things easier. Now you're going to gently mix the plantain and the spices together. Make sure each tiny bit of the plantain is well coated with the spices. You can go ahead to use your hand if that's what you prefer, but because of the pepper, I advise you get a spoon or a spatula to help you mix it. We're going to marinate this for some time. I did mine for about 45 minutes. You can do more or less, but at least 15 minutes is fine. Place a pan and add enough oil for frying. Allow the oil to heat properly before adding the plantains. Gently add the marinated plantains into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan like I did. Well, I didn't overcrowd it. It will spread nicely. Now we are going to fry the plantain until they turn deep golden brown and crispy. Take note, when you drop your plantains inside, you do not turn over. You only turn over when the side in the oil, at the bottom part of the oil, is well fried. Then you turn over gently to fry the other side. Guys, if you're still here with me, it means you're enjoying this recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and of course, drop in the comments where you're watching me from. Thank you. So if you notice this beautiful golden brown color, then you know your plantains are ready. Please don't allow them to burn because I almost burnt mine. I'm going to place this on a paper towel so you can drain out the excess oil. This actually turned out so crispy from the outside, and of course we didn't lose our spices. Everything was intact. Of course you're going to lose a bit, but make sure you don't lose much. This was extremely spicy and crispy, and of course you can enjoy your kelewele with some peanuts. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until then, stay safe and catch you in my next one. Bye for now.